In this video, I'm going to be explaining 10 SAT hard difficulty questions. So let's get started. Alright, a circle has center 0. Alright, so my advice is to always draw what they're talking about and to easily visualize, okay, and get to the answer. So our center is O, AB lie on the circle. Alright, AB lie on the circle. The measure of arc AB is 45, yeah. So AB, this is A, this is B, this is center, and the arc here they told us is 45 degrees. All right, and the length of arc AB is 3 inches, so this AB is 3 inches. What is the circumference in inches of the circle? So this is a pretty easy question, to be honest. So they told us that AB equals 3, and what is the value of this complete circumference of the circle? All right, so they told us that 45 degrees equals to 3 3 inches. All right, and what is 360 degrees? Because 360 degrees is the total circumference of the circle. That will be x. Okay, so let's just cross multiply 45x equals to 3 into 360, and that gives us 1080. And now x equals to 1080 divided by 45, and that gives us 24. So our answer here is 24. Next question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, where A corresponds to D and angle C corresponds to F. C and F are right angles. Alright, so let's also draw this. A, B, C, and C and F, they told us are right angles. Alright, and D, E, F. F is also a right angle. Okay, if tan A equals 50 by 7, okay, tan A. So what is tan A? So basically, tan equals to tan equals to perpendicular by base. What do we have perpendicular here? CB here is perpendicular, and what is the value of perpendicular? That is given 50 by 7, so this is 50, and base is AC, so it'll be 7. Okay, and talking about the next one, what is the value of tan E? So they're asking us that what is the value of tan E. All right, so tan E here will be perpendicular over base, right? And what is perpendicular here? Perpendicular here is PF, which is 7 as given here. All right, so perpendicular will be 7 by base. What is base here? Base is 50. 50. So our answer is 7 by 50. Next question. A circle in the xy plane has its center at minus 5, 2. Alright. So there's a circle and it has its center at minus 5 and 2. Alright. And has a radius of 9. Okay, and its radius is 9. And equation of this circle is this, where A, B, and C are constants. What is the value of C? Okay, all right. So there's a step-by-step to solve this question, okay, because it seems a bit tricky at the start, but it will become simple. So basically, what is our equation of a circle? It is x minus a square plus y minus b square equals to r square. So this here is our equation of a circle. All right, and they told us that minus 5 and 2 uh, are points at the center of the circle. All right, and a and b represent the points at the center of the circle. So let's just write them. X minus a, so it will become plus 5, because minus a is plus 5. All right, x a is 5. All right, so that's why x plus 5 square plus y minus b. Okay, so what is b here? B is 2 minus 2 square equals to r square. What is r? R is 9. So basically r square. So basically we have r here equals to 9, and r square will be, we will square 9, that is uh, 81. So 81 is our radius here. All right, so we've got a solid equation here. All right, so they told us that an equation of the circle is this, so this equation can be written as this equation. So let's just simplify this equation. All right, let's just open this. Okay, so a squared x squared plus 2ab 2ab plus b squared, that is 5, 5 5 are 25, plus y square, we didn't need a bracket here, minus 2ab y and 2 plus b square, that is 4, equals to 81. Let's just simplify. X square plus 10x plus 25 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equals to 81. So simplifying it further, let's just bring this, we have to bring this equation to this form. All right, so that we can compare c with our uh, constant. Okay, so here it will come x square plus y square, this y, okay, and plus 10x minus 4y And adding the constants, 25 plus 4 gives us 29, plus 29, and this 81 will come at this side and become minus. Minus 81 equals to 0. So what is the value of 29 minus 81? 29 minus 81 equals to minus 52. All right. So C here is equals to minus 52. This is our answer. All right. Next question. What is the area in square units of the triangle formed by connecting the 3 points shown? All right, pretty simple. Let's just first join the points so that it can be easily visualized. All right, and let's just write their points. That is minus 5, and on the y-axis it's 3. Okay, this one here is minus 4, and on the y-axis it's minus 3, and this one here is minus 3, and on the y-axis it's 4. And everyone knows, and the simple formula for the length of 2 points on a graph is x1 wait y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square and under root. This is the formula for to finding the length of 2 points on a graph. So this is pretty helpful and you should memorize this. All right, so let's just find the length of this side here and this side, and then we can use the formula of 1 by 2 into base into height to find the total area of this triangle. All right, so let's just find this. So y2 here is 3. We can take any 2 points. I'm finding the area, the length of this line first. All right, so 3 minus minus 3 equals to plus 3 square plus x2 minus x1. All right, that is minus 5 plus 4 square. All right, so this becomes 6 square plus minus 1 square. Okay, minus 1 square. This becomes, this simplifies to 36, and this becomes minus 1, that is 35 under root. Okay, so this is under root 35. All right, and what is this side? Let's find out. So we know the formula. Okay, and so we'll just write the points now. So it's 3 minus 4 square plus minus 5 plus 3 square and under root this all. Okay, so let's just simplify. This is minus 1 square plus minus 2 square. Okay, simplifying further, this is equals to 1 plus minus 2 square is 4. Okay, this becomes 5 under root 5. All right, so now let's just use the formula 1 by 2 into base, which is 35, into height, that is under root 5. Let me just use my calculator here. 1 by 2 into under root 35 into under root 5, and which gives us the answer of 6.6. All right, this is our answer. Next question. So in the figure, parallel lines q and t are intersected by lines r and s. If a equals 43, if this is equals to 43 and b equals 122, what is the value of w? Okay, so the simple trick to solve this is to just find random angles, and we'll just it will just lead us to the angle of w. Okay, so it's pretty easy. All right, so let's find angles. If this is 43, then this is also 43. If this is 122, then this angle is 180 minus 122, that is equals to 58. Okay, and this angle is equals to 43 plus 58, 43 plus 58, and we will subtract it from 180. Why? Because the sum of three sides of a three angles of a triangle equals to 180. So this gives us 79. Now, if this is 79, this is also 79. Why? Because this and this angles equals to equal. Okay, so these both angles are equal. All right. So this is also 79. So now let's just minus 180 by 79, because on a straight line, all angles equals to 180 degrees. All right. So 180 minus 79 equals to 101. Okay, and W, this is halved. Okay, so this total here is 101, and our answer is 101 divided by 2. So this is our answer. Next question. In the triangle shown, what is the value of sine x? Okay, so pretty easy question. Sine x. So sine x equals to, that is perpendicular over base. So we've got perpendicular here, that is 16, and base here, that is this. Okay, our base here is this. Wait, no, sine is equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse. My bad. Okay, so it is 16 over 23. This is our answer. It was this simple. I don't know. I don't even know why they like made this question a hard one. So all right, next question. In triangle RST, angle T is a right angle, okay? RST, RST. Okay, wait, let's just draw this figure bigger. RST. So this is R, this is S, and they told us that T is a right angle, okay? Point L lies on RS, okay? Point L lies on RS, point K lies on ST, point K lies on ST, okay? And LK is parallel to RT, LK, so LK is parallel to RT. Okay, so this line is parallel to this line. All right. If the length of RT is 72 units, RT is 72 units, the length of LK is 24 units. Okay, pretty fair. And the area of triangle RST is 792 square units. All right. What is the length of KT in units? All right. This question is a bit tricky, but I'll explain you how to solve this. All right. So we're just gonna use the values they gave us, okay? And the area, they told us that the area of triangle RST equals to 792. So 792 equals to 1 by 2 into base into height, okay? And what is our base here? Base is this, okay? Let's just denote this as x and this as y, okay? So into height, and height is 72 into base is x plus y. So let's just solve this equation. 1 by 2 into 72 equals 36, and 792 divided by 36 gives us 22. So x plus y here equals to 22, and x here will become 22 minus y. So this is our first equation, all right? And finding the second equation, they told us that the length of RT is 72 units and the length of LK is 24 units. All right, so using their own units, so let's just solve this. So basically 24 into something, okay, into, okay, now you have to find out that how much times of 24 is 72. So solving this, 24 into x equals to 72. What do we get here? 24 into x, 72 divided by 24, x equals 3. We get here 3. So we can know here, we can know that we know that if we multiply 24 by 3, we get 72. Okay, so basically they are telling us that uh, the length of ts is 3 times the length of y. Okay, so the length of x plus y equals to x plus y, okay, equals to 3 times the length of y, right? And let's just solve this, okay? So x plus y, wait, and we have our value of x here, 22 minus y. Okay, so let's just replace this, 22 minus y plus y equals to 3y. So minus y plus y equals 0, and y equals to 22 by 3. That gives us 7.3, and let's just leave it in this form. So y here is 22 by 3. They told us to find the uh, length of kt, length of k and t. So they told us to find x. We've got the value of y, so let's just find x. X equals to 22 minus 22 by 3, and 22 minus 22 by 3 gives us 44 by 3, and this is our answer. All right, so this was a bit difficult question, but eventually we solved it. Okay, next question. A rectangular poster has an area of 360 square inches. Okay, the total area is 360. A copy of the poster is made in which the length and width of the original poster are increased by 20%. So let's just denote this as x and this as y. All right, so they're telling us they made another copy in which the uh, length and width of the original poster are increased by 20%. Now increased by 20%, what does this mean? This means that it has been multiplied by 120%. That is multiplied by 1.2. Okay, so 1.2x and 1.2y, so this will become 1.2x and 1.2y. Now this means that we have increased the length x by 20%. So it means this, okay? And let's just find the area. Now we have to find the area of this solid. So 1.2x plus oh sorry, it's multiplied by 1.2y equals to z. Okay, we can denote the area of this as z. All right, so let's just see that 1.2 into 1.2 equals to 1.44, 1.44xy. So this means that the area of this rectangle has been increased by 1.44. So let's just multiply 1.44 into 360, which gives us a value of 518.4, and this is our answer. Next question. The length of a rectangle's diagonal, length of a rectangle's diagonal is 3 under root 17. All right, so we've got another triangle here, and its length is 3, diagonal length is 3 under root 17, and the length of the rectangle's shorter side, which is the width, is 3. What is the length of the rectangle's longer side? So they are asking us to find this x. Okay, so this x. So when you visualize this, when you make this image, it's pretty easy to find the solution. Now they are asking us to find this, and we can easily see that this is here a Pythagoras theorem is being used. So we know this length and we know this length, so we can easily find this length. That is 3 square plus x square equals to 3 under root 17 square. All right. So 3 square is 9 plus x square equals to, that is 9 into 17, because under root will be cancelled by this and 3 square equals to 9. So 9 into 17 gives us 153, and 153 minus this 9, because 9 will go there and be subtracted, okay, equals to 144, and x square equals 144. So x here, taking square root on both sides, gives us equals to 12, and x here is 12. Next question. So this is our last question, question number 10. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, where A corresponds to D and C corresponds to F. Angles C and F are right angles. All right. So again, let's draw it. All right. So they told us C and F are right angles. All right. A, B, C, and D, E, F. Okay. So they told us that if tan A equals under root 3, tan A equals to under root 3. All right, under root 3, and D, okay, this is not A, this is tan A equals under root 3. All right, and DF equals 125. DF equals 125. What is the length of DE? So they're asking us to find the length of DE. This length, okay, this length is x. All right. So first of all, they told us that tan A equals under root 3. Let's find the value of A. So A will become tan inverse of under root 3. Let's just put this in calculator and we get it 60. All right. The value of tan under root inverse under root 3 is 60. All right. So this becomes 60. Now A is equals to D. So this is 60. This is 125, and we can easily find the value of this using using trigonometry. All right. Trigonometric ratios. Okay. So we need to find hypotenuse, and we are given with base. So let's use the cosine rule. Cosine of 60 equals to base, that is 125, divided by hypotenuse, that is x. Okay, so x equals to 125 by cos 60. All right, cos 60, and this is equals to, putting it in the calculator, 125 by cos 60 equals to, we get a value of 250. So our answer here is 250. All right, this was all, guys, and if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. It helps me a lot, and see you in my next video.